from a point on the ground, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Beta, you must have seen on the top of the buildings, network towers, cable towers, your mobile network towers. Have you seen those towers at the top of the building? Terrace पे they fix it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is some kind of transmission tower is there. There is a ground and there is a 20-meter tall building. Right? And then we have a transmission tower fixed at the top. I'm writing it T tower in short. Okay? Some transmission tower is fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. Then we are given there's a point on the ground. So let A be the point on the ground. Let A be the point on the ground. From this point, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower. Bottom of tower means which point?
Q.
Q. Yes. What is this angle given to be?
45.
45. And the top of the transmission tower. What is that?
P.
60.
60.
What is this angle given to be?
60.
So this total angle is 60. Right? We have to find the height of transmission tower. It is similar to the question that we did for statue and pedestal. The only thing is there the height of statue was given and pedestal to be calculated. Here it is other way around. Can we do this question, children, easily?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, we shall take the triangle in which 45 degrees is given. Which triangle is that?
QBA.
AB.
QBA. So let us first
QBA.
write down the introduction and then start with the work. Let BQ All right. Now, what we have to find is height of the transmission tower. So next is to find height of children. As told you before, I'm telling you again, first consider the triangle in which 45 degrees is there. So in right triangle QBA, QB upon AB is equal to tan 45. Now tan 45 is
1.
1. So this will be 20 meter upon AB is equal to 1, and that gives us AB is equal to 20 meter. Yes, beta.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we shall take right triangle PBA, which is PB upon AB Now PB is no such thing as it is. We are going to divide PB in two parts. What are those two parts?
PQ or QB?
PQ,
plus QB.
Plus
Plus
B.
PG.
PQ plus 20 meter beta. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
PQ plus 20 meter. And upon AB, AB is again 20 meter. Tan 60, which is root 3. So this gives me PQ plus 20 is equal to 20 root 3 when I cross multiply. Ji beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this further means PQ is 20 root 3 plus 20 will go that side, becomes minus.
Minus D.
You can take 20 common. Put the value of root 3. 1.73 minus 1 meter. So this will give you 20 into 0.73. 1.73
14.6.
minus 1 will give you this, which is
14.6
14.6 meter.
that is the height of transmission tower. That is the height of transmission tower. So thus the height of transmission tower is 14.6 meter.
मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा है?